What is your name? My name is Jasmine. What do you do? I am a student. What are you doing? I am eating a pizza. What is your favorite color? My favorite color is green. What time do you wake up? I wake up at 7 a.m. Where do you live? I live in Paris. Where is the bus stop? It's on the left. Where are you going? I am going to the market. Where did you buy this trouser? I bought it online. Where is your bag? It's on the bed. When is your birthday? My birthday is in September. When will you come back? I will come back in an hour. When did you arrive? I arrived yesterday. When do you sleep? I sleep at 10 p.m. Who is your best friend? My best friend is Grace. Who called you? My sister called me. Who helped you? My brother helped me. Why are you sad? I lost my watch. Why do you study English? I study English to improve my communication skills. Why didn't you come yesterday? I was busy. Which subject do you like? I like marketing management. Which fruit do you eat daily? I eat apples daily. Which is your seat? The one near the window. Which day is today? Monday, the day of week. Which country do you live in? I live in Germany. Why are you so happy? I passed my exam. Why didn't you answer my call? I was in a meeting. Whose house is this? It's my friend's house. Whose idea was this project? It was my idea. Whose book is this? This is my book. Whose mobile are you using? I am using my sister's phone. Whose project got selected? Alex's project got selected. How is the weather today? It's sunny today. How do you feel now? I feel better. How tall are you? I'm 6 feet 2 inches tall. How was your weekend? It was great. How long will it take? It will take 10 minutes. How long have you lived here? I have lived here for 5 years. How long does it take to reach your office? It takes about 45 minutes. How long was the movie? It was 2 hours long. How often do you go shopping? Once a month. How often do you read books? I read books every day. How often do you clean your room? I clean it every Saturday. How should I study English? You should watch videos on the YouTube channel English Tales daily. How should we treat animals? We should treat them with kindness. How should I start my day? You should wake up early and do some exercise. Are you listening? Yes, I'm listening. Do you understand? Yes, I understand. Can you introduce yourself? My name is Alina and I'm from Japan. Are you sick? Yes, I have a cold. What time is it now? It's 4:30 p.m. Are you ready? No, not yet. Are you married? No, I'm single. Do you need help? Yes, please. Did you hear me? Sorry, I didn't hear. Are you free tomorrow? Yes, I am. Did you get a new job? Yes, I did. Do you listen to podcast? Yes, I listen to podcast. What's new with you? I bought a new car. What are you doing today? I'm practicing English. Do you like video calls? Yes, I like video calls. Who is he? He is my friend. Where would you like to go? I would like to go to the zoo. Do you drink coffee? Sometimes. Will it rain today? I don't think it will rain. Is he at home? Yes, he is at home.